Hello traders, welcome to the Tuesday forecast and trade recap. Looking over the markets. Here is the Euro US dollar and it's looking really high probability. This price action looks really clean, and that is the best thing that we want to see for taking trades. We want to see that the price action is looking very good and clean. Why is it looking clean? Well, it's ascending in a very clean fashion. So we had this range, we had this liquidity area above the range, then we broke the high, retraced left the wick, broke and retraced left the wick, broke and retraced, and now broke and retraced. So we are forming a clear ascending structure and it's looking really nice. There are two possibilities on the euro pairs. So either they have a reversal like this, then I'm looking for a break and retest trade or a flag to go short, or they continue with a nice large impulse to the upside. If that happens, I'm looking for a flag or a break and retest further up. Those are the two possibilities. So let's see if those possibilities actually do occur. Again, we need to see that confirmation. The confirmation would be a nice impulse candle without a wick on the top, with a nice clean close. That would be our confirmation. That is what I want to see. If we do start to descend, then I'm expecting a larger range, something like this. And then I'm not trading it because it is a larger range. I'm a trend trader. Ranges are a big no-no. Or if we get more of an ascending, which can also happen, then I'm looking for the same sort of an entry. So a reversal or a nice push up further to the upside. Again, this is looking really clean. So let's wait it out. I expect in the next 3 or 4 hours that we get the evidence. Either we're going to get a nice opportunity or we're going to have to be more patient. Euro and the Japanese yen, it's looking really good also. So what I'm seeing, I am seeing this start to actually trend to the upside. This looks more trending than the Euro US dollar. We are getting this first nice leg, then break and retrace, but then this leg continue to the upside. And if you take a look, only blue candles, only bullish candles. Very good sign again. That means that there is not much weakness to the downside. That means the market is very strong to the upside. It all depends on how this candle closes. If it closes with a wick, I would want to see a range. If it's a clean close, I will look for a flag, or maybe even a nice descending to the entry area. As I said, because the price action has started to trend. This can also give us a wick at this current point, show us a large wick, and I am then waiting if we start to break and retrace, get an ascending, look for a reversal. Again, this whole part of price action right here looks very good. Again, not large momentum to the upside, but only bullish candles. That's a really good sign. So let's see if this will also maybe continue up. Then we get a nice break and retest. Also looking for that. Or if we start to descend, then I'm expecting a larger range and I'm not taking any sort of trades. So I'm looking for a push up, or I'm looking for a push down, or I'm looking for a clean close and then a trade. Again, this looks a very high probability to give us a trade entry very soon. So this is definitely on my watch list. It's looking really good. Euro pairs definitely looking really nice. Aussie US dollar looks awful. Looks really bad. So looks stuck in a range right here. And it was stuck in a range. We were ranging for a really long time. Ascending into a descending into another ascending. We then broke the high, retraced, and then we, as we can see, we reversed. We got a V reversal. We broke the low, retraced. After a V reversal, I'm expecting a larger range. That is exactly what I'm forecasting here, and this kind of just broke to the upside and then went back into this overall range. So I'm just expecting that larger ranging structure like this. What I need to see for a trade, again, I need to see either a large push up or a large push down and then some sort of a continuation pattern, flag, break and retest, or a nice large ascending and then a reversal, or a nice large descending, and then a reversal to the upside. So something like this. Definitely keep an eye out for an ascending or descending or a large impulse up, large impulse down. Other than that, you can keep your attention on the euro pairs. This one is not showing us anything currently. So next one, Aussie Japanese yen, same thing as Aussie US dollar, stuck in a range. V reversal here. So again, I can just repeat what I said. So we were stuck in a range, then we got this V reversal, and this V reversal is signaling to us a larger range between the low and the high. So I'm waiting for a large push up, I'm waiting for a large push down, and then I'm waiting for a nice continuation entry. Really, really simple. I'm also seeing if we get an ascending and then a reversal, or descending and then a reversal. Again, reversals don't tend to work out on this pair, but if it's really, really clean, I'll take it. Otherwise, just keep it off the list. And then we have the pound. This is looking like a textbook price action for a reversal. Unfortunately, I don't trade reversals on the pound. Haven't found that they work out. Only thing I'm trading is a large impulse up and then something like this, a continuation, or a large impulse down and then a continuation. That's the only sort of a pattern I'm trading on this pair. But why is this looking really, really clean to reverse? Well, because it's a really, really clean ascending. We are breaking, leaving wicks. Just look at the most recent high breaks. This is the first one, second one just broke and retraced. Another one left a huge wick again, and now this one also left a huge wick and retraced. So this is ripe, really ripe for a reversal, and this is definitely signaling to us that this uptrend will probably come to a halt very, very soon and start a reversal. That's why I'm looking for a reversal. Maybe a nice clean flag here or a nice break and retest. This would be the highest probability setup on the pound. This one, a reversal from an ascending. Yeah, so why is it a really good setup? Because the market makers are taking out people's stops. People are going long here, going long here, going long here, going long here, and then oh no, sorry, they're going short, so they're getting on this reversal, this one, and they're being stopped out. They keep their stops, of course. They keep their stops above the most recent high. Here, stopped out. Here, stopped out. And then maybe they will get stopped out again. So the market makers are building momentum. When they take out people's stops, they fill their own liquidity, and then they are ready to reverse the price. Very simple market physics, if you want to call it like that. Final one, the New Zealand and the Japanese yen looks very similar to the Aussie pairs. So we did finally break the most recent high. It was a long road to the upside, but we did break it, retraced. So expecting a range, especially expecting a range, because we now formed a large V reversal, and I'm expecting that larger range like this. So usually after a V, we do continue in the direction of the second leg. This is the second leg, so this I'm now drawing the second leg. We get a range, and then we continue up, and I will be looking for a long trade to the upside if this sort of a scenario happens. I will be looking to get in on this uptrend. So that's it for NJ. Nothing really more to say, just wait for this to clear up. Maybe this gives us a nice push down. It is possible, but most of the setups after a V reversal go up. So that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. And just keep your eyes on the euro pairs. They're looking really, really good. Power price action is looking really good. Let's just wait for the final piece. So we need an impulse, either up or down, and we need a nice high probability pullback. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.